Okay, after mirror the view, what I need to do, I will insert the tire. Okay, I will make the tire first. Okay, after I made one of the tire, okay, from here you will see that I can pattern the other 3 tires. Okay, but before I pattern the tire, I need to know what is the distance for these directions and pattern for these directions. Okay, so I will change the view like this. Okay, so I will going to measure, do the measurements. Where is, okay, so the directions goes for this direction, for the, you can see the axis here, for the jack direction will be from here to here. Okay, so the directions is 3, 4. Okay, second one, the direction will be, how can I get the center point from here to here? So the direction is 48. Why I obtain the midpoint? Because this is the circles. It's the center point for the circles. Okay, so we start to mate. We can use this one, linear component mate. For the first direction, okay, this one is we insert from previous 48. So I will take this as the first direction. So make sure you need to flip the directions. Okay, second direction I will take here. So it's 3, 4, and we need 2 tires. So it will be 1, 2. This direction will be 1 tire, 2 tire. So I will select the tire. Now you see you have total of 4 tire. You can pattern using the linear patterns features. Okay, then I will continue to build this one. Okay, for the steering wheel, make sure your direction of steering wheel is correct. Make sure your direction of steering wheel is correct. Okay, so your assembly for your Lego car is complete.